What can we do to overcome these harmful effects of the multitasking? But first of all, I think instead of saying that how can we prevent multitasking or stop multitasking, how about we change the wording a little bit and say how can we handle multitasking or manage multitasking? Because that way we're taking that pressure off of us. And let's be honest, we all do it and we will have to do it. Some of us don't have a choice. Let's not wear it as a badge of honor like I was doing it, because that way we're giving our loved ones and people around us a not so healthy message. Because something is acceptable and or even required does not make it healthy or right. Okay, so here are some of the steps we can take. Number one, try to be mindful. And when I mean mindful, I mean try to focus on the present. If you're engaging in an activity, give that activity your 100%. You're in a meeting, then pay attention to that meeting, concentrate on what other people are saying. Instead of multitasking, choose group tasking. Tasks that have one theme, get them accomplished in one time. Like if you decide to run errands, then during that time, do your grocery shopping, go to the post office, hang out with a friend for a cup of coffee. You are cooking in a kitchen, then that time you can clean your countertops, do your dishes, allot specific times of your day to a specific activity. For example, check your emails, like not more than twice a day. Check your social media, maybe once a day or twice a day. And in between, refrain from engaging in such activity. Also, keep your distractions to the minimal. If you can, then turn off the notifications on your social media accounts or while you're driving. Prioritize your tasks. So make it as a part of your daily routine where you can jot down your tasks on a piece of paper and then pay attention to them in the order of their urgency. The most important tasks take the priority, and the ones which are not so important can wait. And yes, please don't forget at the end of the day to put a check mark on those tasks that you got accomplished, because that way you will get a sense of well-being. And finally, please don't forget to be extra kind to yourself. There will be times where we will have no choice but to multitask. Maybe our jobs require us to multitask. Many of us are juggling work and young children. So yes, if you can get few minutes at the end of the day where you can reset your brain, whether you choose to go for a walk or just watch the greenery outside your kitchen window, or even if you can get 5, 10, or 30 minutes of doing nothing. So that in itself may be enough to help you recover from the stress of that multitasking. Biologically speaking, if multitasking releases the stress hormone in your body, which is the cortisol, which yes, you do need in moderation. You don't need your body to be flooded with these cortisol. So utilize your body's inner capability, inner gifts of producing those hormones which have exactly the opposite effect. Those are called our healing hormones. And I will share with you guys more about that in our next video.